So I've got my office chair here. The seller did send this to me so I could go ahead and show you the features. Now this office chair is actually black. It's offset with this white stitching here. It's a quilted design. I think it looks really cool with the white and the black, and it just feels so nice. Just that nice diamond pattern here. Now it does have back support here, and it's done through this. It's got actually a bladder inside. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze that, and that's going to go ahead and inflate it up right around here, and then go ahead and give you some back support. And when you want to get rid of the air, you squeeze that button and it comes on out. Now the handles here, this is all cushion here, but they also lift up too. So if you wanted to have that out of the way, no problem whatsoever. They lift up and they come back down, just as simple. This is what it looks cool on the back side. You could use this for any type of small storage here if you wanted to, such as if you want to go ahead and put this in the back also. And you'll notice here on the base here, we've got 5 legs. These are all nice and chrome. And then the rollers are really nice and smooth. I've had some of the rollers, they kind of get hung up a little bit when you're moving. It's not smooth at all, but these definitely are. This is nice and extra cushion right around here, which is going to go right underneath your knees just to give you some more support, which I like. And then of course, this is how it looks all the way around. It's just really a nice looking chair. Lots of cushion really everywhere you look. Up here at the head, off to the sides. This is where you're going to, of course, put your arms. We've got more cushion here on each side of the seat, and then at the front too. Now you can adjust the height with this lever right here. Just pull it back and it's going to come on down. And you can also lean back too. It does have a knob underneath to adjust the tension as you lean back, so it can be as stiff or as loose as you need to. Looks fantastic. I love the way it looks, and I love the back support too.